Hey there, creators, vloggers, filmmakers, and tech lovers. Whether you're an everyday storyteller or a weekend wanderer capturing epic moments, chances are you've heard of the DJI Osmo Pocket series. It's compact, it's powerful, and it has earned a loyal following among content creators across the globe. Now, while the Osmo Pocket 3 is still going strong and considered one of the best mini cams out there, the buzz is real. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is on the horizon, and it's stirring up a storm of rumors and expectations. But here's the real question. Should you invest in the tried and tested Osmo Pocket 3, or should you wait for what could be the next big thing in pocket-sized videography? Stick with us, because in this deep dive, we're breaking down everything from design tweaks and sensor upgrades to stabilization tech and battery life. Let's get into it. One of the first things to know is that DJI is not just thinking about under-the-hood upgrades. Word on the street is the Osmo Pocket 4 is getting a subtle, yet functional redesign. First up, weight. The Osmo Pocket 3 came in at a featherlight 116 grams, but its successor is rumored to bulk up to around 190 grams. That extra heft isn't just for show. It's due to a larger battery and a brand new 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen. That means sharper visuals, better framing, and a more immersive preview experience. Imagine being able to monitor your footage with richer colors and deeper contrast, even in bright daylight. Plus, DJI is rumored to refine the grip texture and button layout, aiming for a more ergonomic feel. Whether you're on a long shoot or filming on the fly, this will reduce hand fatigue and allow for quicker access to key settings. It might not sound like much, but for everyday creators, comfort equals creativity. Let's talk about the heart of any camera, the sensor. While some hope DJI would unveil an entirely new sensor, it looks like the Osmo Pocket 4 will stick with the trusty 1-inch CMOS sensor found in the Pocket 3. But hold on, that's not a bad thing. This sensor is still incredibly capable, especially when paired with DJI's continually evolving image processing engine. Here's where things get exciting. DJI is rumored to fine-tune the low-light performance, pushing this camera to capture cleaner, crisper footage in challenging environments. Think vibrant city nights, moody interiors, and golden hour landscapes, all with less noise and more dynamic range. Plus, the Osmo Pocket 4 could bring 10-bit color recording with Vlog and HDR support. For those of you who live in the edit suite, this means richer colors, smoother gradients, and greater flexibility in post-production. Ready for cinematic slow-mo. If the rumors are true, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to shoot in 4K at a mind-blowing 240 FPS. That's double what the Pocket 3 could do at 120 From fast-paced action shots to emotionally charged dramatic moments, this opens up an entirely new dimension of creativity. Imagine capturing a skateboard trick, a splash of water, or even a fluttering bird, all in smooth, ultra-detailed slow motion. If you've been dreaming of injecting movie-level drama into your content, this upgrade could be a total game-changer. One area DJI seems to be doubling down on is autofocus. The Pocket 3 had solid face tracking and object detection, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to include face detection autofocus. Translation: faster and smarter focusing, especially when the subject is on the move. Pair this with AI-driven subject tracking, and you've got a camera that can intelligently lock onto people, animals, or objects even if they're darting across the frame. This could be a dream setup for vloggers, solo creators, and action enthusiasts who want their gear to keep up with their pace. Now let's talk power. Battery life has always been one of the Osmo Pocket's few weak spots. The Pocket 3 offered around 140 minutes of shooting time, decent, but not exceptional. The Osmo Pocket 4, however, is rumored to clock in at 100 minutes of continuous use. That's nearly a full or more of record time, enough to get you through a full day of shooting without constantly hunting for an outlet. For travelers, vloggers, or documentary-style creators, this could be the most practical upgrade of all. Stabilization is where DJI has always led the charge. But just when you thought it couldn't get smoother, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to bring a hybrid stabilization system. This means combining 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization with enhanced electronic image stabilization. The result: ultra-steady footage even in shaky conditions while running, biking, or filming from a vehicle. Forget bulky gimbals or software tricks. This kind of built-in performance turns everyday shooting into Hollywood-level footage. So, when's it coming? DJI has followed a loose 3-year release cycle for its Osmo Pocket line. The Pocket 3 dropped in 2023, so if the pattern holds, we're probably looking at a late 2026 or early 2027 release. However, with the fast pace of tech and competition heating up, there's always a chance we'll see it sooner. As for the price, while nothing is confirmed, expect a modest increase. With all these upgrades, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely command a premium price, but one that's still within reach for most serious creators. Okay, decision time. If you're someone who needs a new camera right now, and you're not overly concerned about having the absolute latest features, the Osmo Pocket 3 is still a rock-solid choice. It offers stellar video, excellent stabilization, and pro-level quality in a compact frame. But if you're all about future-proofing, crave the best performance, and don't mind waiting a bit, the Osmo Pocket 4 sounds like it's shaping up to be an absolute beast. From 4K to advanced autofocus, longer battery life, and refined design, it could redefine what a pocket camera can do. In the end, it comes down to your needs, your timing, and your creative ambitions. Want a reliable camera that's ready to roll? Go for the Osmo Pocket 3. But if you're excited by cutting-edge tech and don't mind holding off, the Osmo Pocket 4 might be worth the wait. Either way, DJI is proving once again that big things really do come in small packages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and camera comparisons. And hey, drop a comment below. Are you Team Pocket 3 or holding out for the Pocket 4? Stay creative, and see you in the next one.